Hello everyone and welcome back to English Avenue. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever said to yourself, I understand English but I can't speak it? If your answer is yes, don't worry. Thousands of English learners feel exactly the same. But today I want to share one habit that can completely change the way you speak English. That habit is very simple. Always talk in English. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, but my grammar isn't perfect. My vocabulary is very small. I'm afraid of making mistakes. Let me tell you something important. You don't become fluent and then start speaking. You become fluent because you start speaking. Think about a small child. Does a child wait until every sentence is perfect before speaking? Of course not. A child speaks with mistakes, learns from those mistakes, and slowly becomes fluent. As English learners, we should do the same. From today, stop waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time is today. You don't need difficult words. You don't need a perfect accent. You only need the courage to speak. Start with very small sentences. When you wake up in the morning, say, "Good morning. Today is a new day. I will practice English today." When you're having breakfast, say, "I am eating breakfast. This food is delicious. I need some tea." When you're going to work or school, say, "I am leaving now. I will do my best today." These are simple sentences, but they are powerful because they connect English with your real life. Many students spend years memorizing grammar rules. They know hundreds of vocabulary words. But when someone asks them a simple question like, "How was your day?" they become silent. Why? Because they studied English. They never used English. Remember this, English is not only something you study, English is something you use. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. Now let me give you a small challenge. Look around your room. Can you describe 5 things in English? For example, there is a chair. My phone is on the table. The window is open. The fan is running. I have a bottle of water. That's it. You are already speaking English. Another powerful habit is talking to yourself. Yes, it may sound a little strange at first, but it works. When nobody is around, speak to yourself. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Talk about your dreams. If you don't know a word, don't stop speaking. Use easier words. Communication is more important than perfection. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes. But let me ask you another question. How can you improve if you never practice? Every mistake teaches you something. Every mistake makes you stronger. So don't be afraid. Be proud that you are trying. Here's another simple exercise. Before sleeping tonight, speak for just 2 minutes. Tell yourself, "Today I worked. I watched this video. I learned something new. Tomorrow I will practice again." Only 2 minutes. Can you do that? I believe you can. And here's another secret. Stop translating every sentence from your native language. Instead, think directly in English. When you're walking outside, think, "The weather is nice. There are many people. I need to buy some vegetables." Little by little, your brain will stop translating and start thinking naturally in English. That's when speaking becomes easier. Remember, fluency doesn't come from one video. It doesn't come from one grammar book. It comes from thousands of small conversations with yourself and with other people. So don't wait until your English becomes perfect. Speak with the English you already know. Speak slowly, speak clearly, speak every single day. 1 sentence today becomes 10 sentences tomorrow. 10 sentences become one conversation. One conversation becomes confidence, and confidence becomes fluency. Before we finish today's lesson, I want you to make one promise. Promise yourself that from today you will speak English every day, even if it's only for 5 minutes, because 5 minutes every day is much more powerful than 1 hour once a week. Remember this final line. You do not become fluent by learning English. You become fluent by using English every single day. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to improve your English with simple daily practice, don't forget to subscribe to English Avenue. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep smiling, and most importantly, always talk in English. See you in the next lesson.